Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the refinance calculator on the Zillow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your homepage and click on this More button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the Home Loans and Refinancing section. And within this section, you can find the Refinance Calculator option, so tap on it. Then you should indicate your current loan in these slides, such as the amount of loan, the interest rate, the origination date can be set, as well as the loan term. You can indicate your new loan, the principal balance can be added as well as the interest rate. Then you can set the refi costs and fees, the cash out, loan term and roll costs into loan. And here you can see this chart at the top of the screen, and as you scroll or slide to the right side, you can see the cumulative savings and the savings schedule as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.